Okay, hello again, guys. This is your assignment, the second assignment for the week, the Punnett square practice problems. Now, these are a lot of fun, but it is difficult to do on a computer. You have two choices. You could print this out, take a picture, load it onto Google Classroom, or email that picture to me. But I also made this in a Google Doc, so you could do it all on the worksheet. This is just a review talking about the dominant alleles are always capitalized, and they're usually first just because it's easier to read that way. The recessive allele is always represented by the small case letter of the dominant allele. So this is an example. These, again, genotypes are the actual genes. Phenotype is what you see. So you would have a cross, P1, that's your first generation, that's a parent generation, of a little t, crossed with the female that's a big T, little t. And you could get a bunch of different gametes. The dad could give you, he could give either, he really has the same, either a little t or this little t, and mom could give a big T or a little t, okay? When you put this on the Punnett square, this is where it's a little different. Just so that we could do it on the computer, I actually had to give, and you guys could actually answer it, I had to give the parent alleles a box, which generally you do the Punnett square box, and you don't have a box for the parents, but you know, we've got to improvise in these times of COVID-19. So normally it's just like this, and the parents are on the outsides over here. But what you've got going on now is I went ahead, and I'm just going to show you with dashed lines, had to put boxes in for the parent alleles. So that's what the dashed lines are showing you. On your worksheet, the parent genes are left as gray, maybe to help you realize that that's not what's actually going on when the genes combine. So this is showing you that cross of the little t, and the big T, little t. These are the genes of the mom, or this is dad, he was little t, and these are the genes of the mom, a big T and a little t. In here is what you're actually crossing with the babies, okay? So we're just going to go down. You're going to need to use this chart right here to answer the questions. These are the genetics that you're going to base your answers on. That round seeds are dominant to wrinkled seeds. Seed color. Yellow seed color is dominant to green seed color. And coat seed color. Colored is dominant to white. Everybody kind of see this here? Now, when you come down to actually do the worksheet, that's where I started out. I kind of babysat you. And these gray areas, these are the parents. So this would be a cross of a big Y, little y. Here's those genes put up here. And a homozygous dominant for seed color. Oh, wait, so this actually isn't correct. We have a homozygous dominant for seed color. So this would be a big Y. So there's your dominant, homozygous dominant. And then here's your heterozygous, big Y, little y. And then your job will be to fill in what happens with the babies. And if you go down, I went ahead and gave you, I'm just kind of starting you out with baby set steps. The parents here, big heterozygous for flower position and heterozygous for flower position, okay? Homozygous recessive for seed shape and heterozygous for seed shape. Now, you're going to have to be able to do these on your own without me filling out the parents. So as you go down, I start to kind of pull back the training wheels, and you're going to have to start to fill out in the gray what the parents are. And then you combine those parent alleles in the white center area like your normal Punnett square would be. All right, good luck and have fun with it.